Okay, now I'm recording. This is video about 2000 GMC Sierra. I thought I was recording already, but I wasn't. I lifted my bed up. It wasn't too hard. It's such a cheap ass material that I did it by myself. What I did was raise it up from this side first, the gas tank side here first, at the fender weld here, and then I'll try to figure out how am I gonna get it out of my way to get to that fuel pump. I didn't want to do that lean trick where leave bolts on one side and then take the bolts on the other side. It's too dangerous, and all that crawling underneath. Shit, I'm old. I don't have the patience to be squeezing in and out to get to that doggone fuel pump. So what I did was just raise it up one side at a time. Got this driver's side up in the air, and it just so happened to get stuck on the tire. And I'm like, shit, that might just be something good for me. And what I did was lift it on that tire. And I put the other part on the bumper right here. Don't say shit about it, bend it or whatever. I can fix all that myself. This is the passenger side here. Same thing. Bottom of the bed here on the tire is rubber. It holds it. Other part on the bumper right here. I have my space. As you can see, there's the fuel pump over there on that side, and I have plenty of room to move around and do what I gotta do. When I come back down with it, I'm gonna do the same procedure, slowly but surely. I'll take this side and wiggle it down toward the front down here, and once this gets rested in, then I'll work on the passengers on the driver's side and get it back down off in here. And if it don't go back in, hell, I ride around without the bed on here. Put me some plywood on top of it, make it a flat. Anyway, that's the way I did my bed removal with no help. I don't have any help, so I have to try to figure out how to do it myself. It worked out okay. So now I'm gonna go and clean this top of this thing off real good and prepare it to put for the new fuel pump. Okay, peace, I'm out.